Hey guys, I'm the 50s Kid. In this video, we're going to take a look at Milwaukee's half-inch metric and SAE socket set. So let's get started. So this is a 47-piece set. It's a 48-22-9010 half-inch set. You got metrics down here. You got SAE up here. You got two extensions, a 3-inch and a 6-inch, I believe. And, you know, I've said it before, and I'll say it every time I review a Milwaukee chrome set, but I really like their chrome. It's just something about their chrome tools. It's really nice, especially their ratchets. I kind of really like them. Smooth action, pretty nice. Pretty fine teeth in there. Still feels really beefy. I like that the switch is the tool truck way, where on is to the left, off is to the right. Not the home gamer way, which is the opposite of that. So that's really nice. You got a full set from 10 all the way to 24 on the metrics, and half-inch all the way up to 1 1/8 on the SAEs. Unfortunately, the deep sockets don't go all the way up to the same. You know, they go from 10 to 19 the metrics, and then half-inch to 15/16 on the SAE. So you actually get one less socket on the SAE. Not exactly sure why they chose to do this and not give you a full and complete set. Maybe they're patterning this after some other similar sets that are on the market. I'm really not sure, but that is perhaps the only thing that lets me down about this set. Of course, I have to mention Milwaukee's uniqueness here in the shape of their sockets. They've got the flats on them, so you can grab the socket with a wrench if you need to. Although I probably wouldn't. I would probably just get a longer breaker bar or something if I needed more leverage. And they do have that flat shape, and I guess it's designed to keep the thing from rolling all the way off your bench. You know, not if you're going to give it a shove and all that stuff, but eventually the idea is that it'll settle and stop rolling rather than roll all the way off. So yeah, that's kind of neat. And yeah, and then the last feature that their socket sets have is that this tray is removable, which is really nice. Some people really appreciate this because some people have toolboxes where they have very thin drawers. One of the Harbor Freight sets, toolboxes actually, has nothing but thin drawers, and you cannot get anything like really deep in them. And a lot of socket holders actually are meant for the sockets to stand up. You know, so sometimes if you have a toolbox with thinner drawers, you cannot use one of those. You have to have a socket holder that lays down flat. So it's really nice that they have this insert. You just take this out of the case and plop it right down in your drawer, close the thing, and you're good to go. And this is a nice compact little case where it's all nice and self-contained. So that's probably one of the biggest selling points about Milwaukee's socket sets, is it just comes with this built-in removable tray, essentially, that you can put right in your drawer. So yeah, that's really great. That's about it as far as these socket sets go. If you are interested in picking one up, there will be links down in the description. If you enjoyed this look at the Milwaukee half-inch set, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to see more. I'm the 50s Kid. Thanks a lot for watching.